Good morning, dear students. In this video, I will translate the paragraph in English. Kripon nohoba. Don't be a miser. Rajak Nripoti buli koi. The king is called Nripoti. Moromor Khodrich Dangor Dhorom nai. There is no greater religion similar to love. Pitri matrir kotha khuniba. Listen to the words of your father and mother. Horina mrigo buli koi. Horina is also called mrigo. So children, both horina and mrigo are deer. Gosor akriti prithak prithak hoy. Prithak means different. The shape of trees are different. Prithibir bikhal jol bhagok hagor buli koi. Earth's biggest water mass is called sea. Khialok Srigal buliu koi. Khial is also called as Srigal. That means Khial and Srigal are jackal. Khial, Bag, Hingho, Bhaluk adi pohubilakor hing nai. Jackal, tiger, lion, bear etc. animals do not have horns. Ihotok bonoria pohu buli koi. They are called wild animals. Thank you.